Big happy new year to everybody from Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning. Get right into it in the new year, second day of the year, and we're looking at our virtual trading assistant Holly here. Making a pretty nice call here, NGM, about 9:40 a.m. Eastern in the morning, and makes a signal entry call at 1:06 here. And we get a little bit of time kind of chopping sideways before we get a nice push up and a pullback and another push up, and we're running pretty sideways here for right now, but on a percentage basis, that's a pretty solid call as far as getting in there. That was from the long side. We also had YY from the short side here, so gap down and a bit of a gap down and go. Get that entry call here at 33.92. We make a nice move down. Sit down here for a while before reverse, and this is where I always highlight human and machine, right? The human element of it being the trader. We're not going to let this reverse on us. We're not going to let a positive trade go negative. The machine part being the quality signal call. And again, the human being the one that puts that in and manages that. So if you liked what you saw here, you want to see more on Holly, you want to see more on your own custom scanning and creating, trade-ideas.com. Come visit us, come check us out. We'll be doing several contests throughout the year, possibly one every month. These are things you want to be involved in. You want to get familiar, you want to learn the software, you want to take action, you want to know more about your own finances. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next video.